Okay, so I brought the truck back in the house in a controlled environment just to see what this servo does. And you can see it's that SPT thing in there. Yeah, it's pretty much the same as that 25 kilogram servo from Amazon. Same speed, same specs, basically. So yeah, let's go on and turn it. Now, as you can see, it's turned. Now let's see how long it takes for it to like give out. Yeah, see my finger's still on there. The wheel isn't moving at all. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit, but yeah, you saw that. And yeah, the servo didn't gave out. Thumb still on the wheel, still turned all the way. And then he just gave out. That is like one of the first times I've ever seen some crap like that. That is nuts. That really is insane. That is funny. Really funny. So, yeah. And then you turn it again and it can go back to steering. But it's like as soon as you hold it for any length of time, it'll just give out. That's insane. That, wow. Yeah. You see some crazy stuff in this hobby sometime, but yeah, that's what you get for going cheap. Now, that 35 kilogram digital cordless thing that I got in that I got in my Creighton EXB and the Siren, those things are absolutely perfect. I mean, that thing been in my Creighton EXB since I got it. That's the only servo I ever ran in that truck. Yeah, since I got the Creighton EXB, it's been in there and it's been absolutely perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go on and fix this thing up with some better electronics because this truck is nuts. Yeah, I'm gonna go on and turn it off and get all this electronic garbage out of there. The BLX done had its time and that servo is garbage, so let's put some better stuff in there and call it a day.